ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka Shillong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakhambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Kumshibinta ban lekmen ni kajingwan long breu tra jisu shaka perthei ka Ymca Shillong ha kan rotri ubnai no apra kala Rakhe yak advance Christmas yak balapan long ha Bharat Scouts and Guide Hall. Ha kan ni kajing Rakhe u General Secretary u JR Mirbo u lapdiang buram ya barok ki board members bekentop yu President Most Reverend Bishop Pioli Lingdo, Vice President Dr. C.O. Rangat, Treasurer Ubak Gideon Kharkongor, Regional Secretary Ubak Shamir Thaba, but dia borok ki board members ki belai dan lang ha kani sngi bat kumjuk ru yaki kenna bat kinong tray ke Ymca Computer Center. Lapin po pinping ya kani sngi ka dei nagi kenna puli computer jong ke Ymca Computer Center ki bela aship hotli ki jirai Christmas but board pat sa ka kubo de ka bela adu board member ubadeiru unong yalam niam ubadeiru retired IAS officer ubak Pokister Kharkongor.
That plague the nation of Israel and plagues us today have been pierced by the light of God's salvation. This promise of light is later fulfilled in the birth of the Messiah, our Lord Jesus. At Christmas, we celebrate the coming of this promised light, foretold centuries before through God's prophets. And the lesson from this second point is our promised King has come, bringing light to the dark places of the world and establishing an eternal kingdom. The third point for meditation is the overcoming light. The Gospel of John, chapter 1, verses 1 to 18. John begins his Gospel, unlike Matthew and Luke. He doesn't begin with a Christmas story. John states that all creation comes through Christ, and this Christ is life and light. And he further says that the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not been able to overcome it. Christmas therefore reminds us of the overcoming light. Christ is insurmountable. His influence, his power, his light is irresistible. And therefore the lesson from this third point is, Jesus brought light to us, light that darkness cannot overcome, when he came in the flesh, full of grace and truth.